Let's check this out.
Let's do this.
No, you're putting too much pressure on me. Actually, when most
You
of
have been
them...
putting pressure on me.
No, it's tough than interviewing a financial and political guy. I can't really tell you. I want to start with one thing. What keeps Apar so energetic?
Right now, coffee. I'm just busy justifying my name all my life. Apar Shakti, Power Unlimited. So I'm just trying to justify my name. Given a choice, I would want to only do comedy because I only want people to smile when I come on the screen.
And with music, which has been your favorite track that you've been quite
Definitely
humming.
Punjabi songs, yeah. Definitely Punjabi songs. Kaali tere gutt te parang tera lalani, rupdi orani tu parangenu sambalani. And one more thing I want to say, तुम्हारे शर्ट पे चेक जरूर आ गए होंगे, लेकिन लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे लोगों के चेक आ नहीं. Just saying. Anyway.
It seems you like to
दाल
cook.
मखनी, बटर चिकन, उसके बाद बुआ. That's it. वो दरवाजे के अंदर घुसता है तो वो इमेजिन करता है कि ओ गॉड
Yes.
मैं मतलब पार्टी करने पहुंच गया हूँ ब्रो. ये कैसे मैं हूँ? ओ गॉड मैं पार्टी कर रहा हूँ, फुल फ्लेज लड़की के पास हूँ मैं, और you know no social distancing and this and that, and then back to reality. And this is reality. It's been 5 months. This has been the reality. I hope that we are able to come out of it as soon as possible, and then life is happier again. Yes, my song is out now, Ghanta. It's composed and written by Vayu and sung by Jackie, and I featured in it. Had a great time shooting with all of them. It's a funny take on the lockdown. Go watch it now on JJ's Music.
So thank you so much, Apar, for finding time for India Podcast viewers and listeners. It's a much delight moment for me to have you on with us on our show today.
Pleasure is all mine, Baba. Really looking forward to all the madness and all the fun stuff. Let's get this rolling.
I want to start with one thing. What keeps Apar so energetic and so get going, like we see you now coming on our show?
Right now, coffee.
Which
But
coffee
otherwise, I
is
think
that?
I'm just busy justifying my name all my life. Apar Shakti, Power Unlimited. So I'm just trying to justify my name and keeping my energy going. That's about it.
That's beautiful way to tell me. I think Power Unlimited is actually what your name entails. Apar, I want to know from you, how has the quarantining been for you? Has it been going smoothly? It's been lazed out, doing more of Netflixing and, working on your, we will go to what you have productively come to.
So yeah, lazy, definitely not lazy, because that's not how my regular day looks like. Not even weekends are lazy. It's always touchwood jam-packed, and I keep myself over-occupied with things. It's not really about, generating revenue from what you're doing. It's about keeping yourself occupied, keeping your, creative brainstorming going, so that you end the day with a lot of positivity, with a lot of satisfaction that, okay, maine aaj kuch kiya hai. So, and each day of the lockdown has been like that, more or less. And
But even the lockdown did not come as a negative stress there because, you're not going out. You're doing everything in your house. So how would that work for someone in your industry, and especially with you being so energetic? I can feel that now. Was it difficult to contain yourself?
मैं इतना कुछ एक दिन में कर देता हूँ कि मुझे ध्यान ही नहीं रहता है कि बाहर कोविड चल रहा है. So number one is that, and number two, I must say that it's a mindset, यार. आप क्या सोचना चाहते हो, क्या करना चाहते हैं. And of course, there have been days when you feel down and out. It's not a lockdown story. It's the story of life. You feel down and out sometimes.
Yes,
what I do then is I have made a list of, all my friends, my colleagues, my school friends, college friends. हर 360 degrees मैंने friends की list बनाई हुई है, people who make me happy. The day I feel down and out, I give them a call and I laugh about things which I know कि मैं phone करूँगा और उन्हें 10 मिनट में से 10 मिनट हंसाना ही हंसाना है. I must tell you one thing. I normally, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि never in my life I'll be able to show off my big car or my anything for that matter, anything materialistic. I'll only show off my friends. I think I'm just blessed to have so many pure souls around me who are always wishing the best for me and are also very, very happy souls. They always keep me going. They always teach me the right things, personally and professionally. And that's something, that's my takeaway for life.
I think that's a takeaway for everybody who's quite taken this whole phase little with difficulty. I think that's a positive message to give out to everyone.
True, true.
Apart coming to your song here, one, I want to first begin asking, how did this happen during lockdown? What made you go for it and say a yes? What's the story about the song?
Yeah, I think the first line itself, घंटे की तरह कभी यहाँ से बजा कभी वहाँ से बजा हर और बराबर बजा. That's the story of each and every person during the lockdown. And this is how I am. Even on the downside, I want to make fun of the downsides. I want to have fun with it. I don't want to, you know, sit back and say, यार ये क्या हो गया यार. So I just try to make fun of it, and you know, in the video at least. And when this song came to me, I thought this is the perfect lockdown song. You know, this is the perfect song to have fun with. And I think YU has done a great job by composing it and writing it. And Jyoti, the director, always told us to give all the nuances of a lockdown. And Jackie has done a fab job. This is his first song as a singer. And, you know, such a power-packed producer he is. And we were discussing life, and we were discussing things, what all we can do together, be it music, be it films. And this is where we have started.
How did this come into making? It doesn't look like something done in a very limited resource. It comes like a full-fledged, thought-through studio arrangement, though. So can you just tell us a little bit more into it? What were the circumstances around?
A lot of prep and a lot of Zoom calls went into it to make this happen, and a lot of reshoot actually happened to make it happen. You know, to make it happen, because you know, you will not always get the right shot when the director is not on. You know. Right now, as we are sitting here, जो आपको जाले साफ करने वाला ऊपर सीन देख रहे हो, वो यहाँ पे मैंने शूट किया हुआ है ऊपर. और you know, जो आप ऐसे पोछा मारते हुए देख रहे हो मुझे with that big stick, वो भी इसी जगह जहाँ मैं बैठा हूँ वहीं का शूट है. So you know, जो हमने जो पार्टी सीन है वो of course बाहर शूट हुआ है. That required you know, director on set and people on set. And but having said that, I think this is the best we could do during the lockdown. And the song itself describes कि यार मतलब वो ना वो दरवाजे के अंदर घुसता है तो वो इमेजिन करता है कि ओ गॉड मैं मतलब पार्टी करने पहुंच गया हूँ ब्रो. ये कैसे मैं हूँ, ओ गॉड मैं पार्टी कर रहा हूँ, फुल फ्लेज लड़की के पास हूँ मैं, और you know, no social distancing and this and that. And then back to reality, and this is reality. It's been 5 months. This has been the reality. I hope that, touching 5 months, I hope that we are able to come out of it as soon as possible, and then life is happier again. And I mean, you know, I have kept myself occupied. I have generated revenue as well from all these digital collaborations. But having said that, it's really important to go back to the film set and be the artist you were. I think that will always bring out the best in you. So just waiting for that day to happen.
As you said, some of those moments you caught on for us, the pocha marne wala jharu, are there funny incidents where you like, you were like looking at yourself and like, what am I doing though? Really? Did I have to do this? Were there some funny incidents while the recording was happening? Or you felt like mumbling song that, okay, I am energetic, but I feel the lockdown pressure now. It's happening to me.
Yeah, actually, funny situation, ये सारे household chores करते हुए shoot पे नहीं हुई, otherwise घर पे हुई है. You know, otherwise we are without shoot हुई है.
Okay, and so the real ones.
Especially the real ones. I don't have to fake it. कहाँ से मैं आपको fake actor नजर आ रहा हूँ?
But while making the song, did you have like tripod falling on you or something going all the way wrong? Because it's a new experience to do it all by yourself.
Not really. Okay. I mean, it's not something. It's not rocket science. It's just simple stuff, you know. And I'm not such a pampered.
Okay.
The younger sibling of the house. I mean, you know, I have seen life 360 degrees. I've played cricket from Haryana, and I've traveled all across Haryana in all these local buses and done all kinds of stuff, you know, from taking a shower at the tube well to wiping the floor when we were doing theatre. We've done it all. So, I mean, it's not something very new to me. So, you know, even after coming from a decent background, my dad made sure that me and Ayushia both had that upbringing of the real upbringing where you understand what you know, what all it takes in life to grow or to be grounded as an artist or otherwise as anything for that matter. So I think it's not something which I have never done. Rather, in my school days, all my pocket money came only when I used to wash the car. So
Wow.
for 3 years back to back, I was washing the car each day of the year. So I mean, it's not something I haven't done before. So I've done all of this before, and then I have been very independent in life. Yes, lockdown has made all of us even more independent. Majorly, I would say technically for me, I was such a tech block. I couldn't make online payments. Sorry to say, I was a genuine tech block. I could not do a lot of technical things. Now I know how to do them.
No, it's quite nice to know because we can see through your personality into the work that you do. It just reflects out into any character you play. It's nothing that we can even say. Right from your first movie, we've seen you shining through the characters. You were talking about going back to work also. Are we looking at some projects coming by Apar after the lockdown settles up?
Yeah, my last film, Helmet, like जो shoot करके आया हूँ मैं, only 3 to 4 days of shoot is left, and we're planning this in August or September, end of August, early September. So let's see, we're yet to zero down on the date, but yeah, very soon we'll do it. We'll start from there. I've signed or almost signed a very nice, web series with one of my favorite directors. So I'm not allowed to speak about it, but yeah, looking forward to that. But having said that, that might happen end of the year. So. Okay. As you're talking, we were supposed to shoot it right now.
About one question, how much time it took you to bring out the song into the picturization that you guys took to shoot around the
You're
song?
Talking about Ghanta? You're talking about Ghanta?
How much time could have been?
Well, home shoot for about 3-4 days and a prep for about 7-8 days.
Okay.
But side by side, a lot of other things were happening.
Okay.
I mean, if during the day, if I'm prepping, at night I was shooting for a digital collab for a brand.
Okay.
So all those things were happening. But having said that, yes, of course, a lot of prep went into it because you had to come out with, almost a full-blown video.
True.
So, and it had to go on a proper music label.
Sure.
So and Jay Just has been doing some fab work. They came out with a bang with that Doorbin song with Alia Bhatt, so they also made sure that even if it's locked down, it should look like a proper song. So I think we have all put our best foot forward, and yeah, looking forward to all the cool stuff in the lockdown.
It started ringing strongly, though. I should tell you, it has started ringing strongly. We have a guest caller, fanboy moment, always on our show. So we have for you Harsh Goyal. He's calling from Nagpur, and he wants to take one of his fanboy moment today, stealing from us. I think he's on screen there. Yeah,
what's his name? Sorry,
hello,
what's his name?
His name is Harsh. His name is Harsh Goyal.
Hi, Harsh Goyal. How are you, Baba? How's it going?
Sir, I'm fine. Sir, I've really loved your song Ghanta, and I've been listening to it since past 2-3 days. Sir, I want to ask you, my one question to you is that it's been a while you are in the industry since from Dangal, then Luka Chupi, Pati Patni Ho Wo, Stree, and I think you are shining and rocking all the roles. So I just want to ask you, which is the role more closer to you, or which is your favorite role?
Thank you so much, Harsh, first of all, for all those kind words and that love and appreciation. That means a lot to me. Yeah, it's very difficult to choose one baby out of all your babies, but otherwise, if I have to really pick one, I think it will be Stree, because that film was just special, yeah, When we were making Dangal, we kind of, in hearts of hearts, we knew that that people will come and watch it because it was an Aamir Khan film, and I think all the boxes were quite ticked there to come out and do the film. But when we were doing Stree, we did not know कि लोग इतना accept कर लेंगे फिल्म को और ये एक डायलॉग लोगों को याद रहेंगे और एक कैरेक्टर्स याद रहेंगे और मैं जहाँ एयरपोर्ट पे जाऊंगा लोग मुझे पिकी प्लीज कहेंगे, So it was quite bizarre, and that love and warmth we got from the audience was just amazing, and I got to learn a lot from Shraddha, from Abhishek Banerjee, from Raj Bhai, from Pankaj Ji, from everyone, and especially from Amar Kaushik. He is he's my soul brother. As we're talking, जब हम आज record कर रहे हैं, it's his birthday as well. Wishing him a very very happy birthday. He just brought out the best in all of us. आप अगर देखो तो सबकी अभी तक की best performance है वो. You know, मेरी लाइफ की अभी तक की बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस, राजकुमार की अभी तक की बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस, पंकज जी की अभी तक की बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस, अभिषेक बैनर्जी की अभी तक की बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस, श्रद्धा की अभी तक की बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस. सो अभी तक की सबकी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस है. that speaks volumes about a director. He just made all of us feel so comfortable, and you know, then Rajan DK and Dinesh Vijan, all of us, I think we had a very very good team together. And one more thing I want to say, तुम्हारे शर्ट पे चेक जरूर आ गए होंगे, लेकिन लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे लोगों के चेक आ नहीं रहे. Just saying.
And so you have worked with people from many generations. So who do you want to work with next?
Yeah, I would love to work with Anil sir, Anil Kapoor sir. मुझे उनकी एनर्जी बहुत पसंद है. If I would want to have a mental / personal / professional / हर तरीके का ग्राफ मुझे उनका बहुत पसंद है. I would want to look like him at 60. I would like to, you know, have that energy. I would want to run in a field at 60, and I would love to work with him. I think Anil Kapoor sir inspires me a lot, and I would love to work with him. Apart from Anil sir, I would love to work with Gajraj Rao sir. मैंने अभी उनके साथ एक डिजिटल कोलैबोरेशन किया था एक ट्रिमर ब्रांड का. काफी मजा आया वो शूट करके. And I would love to work with Surekha Sikri ji and Neena Gupta, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harsh, for coming up with that question for Apar.
Thank you.
I think Apar, I think you have some unbounded energy. I thought I will have to match you, but I certainly can't. You're contagious.
नहीं यार मैं.
No, you do. It doesn't seem like you had a heavy day at all. It doesn't come across. No reason I can take that from you. But before closing, I want a quick rapid fire from you, because you're so up there with your sense of humor and your wit out. Let's check this out.
Let's do this.
I know you're putting too much pressure on me. This has been tough. This has actually been most
tough.
You have
been putting pressure on me.
No, it's tough than interviewing a financial and political guy. I can't really tell you. It's not been easy. But okay, some of your favorite picks. What is Apar's favorite cuisine? It's very simple there to know. That you like to cook.
Indian, definitely.
You like
Desi
to eat,
khana,
Apar.
any day.
The cuisine you like to
Dal
cook.
makhni, butter chicken, uske baad buah. That's it.
But the cuisine you like to cook most easily, not what you like
cook,
to eat.
Again, desi. Chicken curry is my favorite, and you know, rajma chawal would be. So मुझे देसी खाना ही पसंद है, बनाना भी और खाना भी.
Okay, your favorite genre, if you have to associate yourself to
music or films?
Films and music. To begin with movies.
Yeah, when I was doing theater, people only, you know, the audience and audience only accepted me, all those dark, intense roles. When I started doing films, they only accepted me in, so far in funny parts.
Yes.
I have been reading a couple of, intense negative parts, but I think, given a choice, I would want to only do comedy, because I only want people to smile when I come on the screen. I want people to be happy when they come out of my films. I want people to remember me as a funny boy.
And with music, which has been your favorite track that you've been quite
definitely
humming?
Punjabi songs, yeah, definitely Punjabi songs, majorly Punjabi folk songs, from Kali teri gut te parang tera lalani roop di orani tu parang denu sambhalani, from this to piche on meri jaan ve na ai chirwaliyan vekhda ai ve mera long vacha niga marda ai ve mera long vacha.
So I didn't know you both your brothers were so much into music. Like, of course, we know Ayushmann. We've been quite following all his music and everything. Yeah. What is the next best destination you would want to first hop onto when lockdown settles out? Like, this is the place I want to hit out now.
I'm in Chandigarh right now. I would love to go back to Mumbai.
Yeah.
I've been here for a while now. I mean, I grew up here, so it's not something I really crave, so to say. And I mean, beyond a point, you want to go back to work. So Mumbai is, Chandigarh meri janam bhoomi hai aur Mumbai meri karam bhoomi hai. So you want to go back and do all the good karmas now.
Wow, that's such a nice message into everything you say. Thank you so much, Apar. One message for people, one about your song. You want them to watch it, and of course, one on how to be looking forward to happiness in this lockdown. Also while watching your song. I think it's very, very laughable and fun.
Number one, yes, my song is out now, Ghanta. It's by Vayu. It's composed and written by Vayu. And sung by Jackie, and I featured in it. Had a great time shooting with all of them. Jyoti has directed it, and I think it's a good take on the lockdown. It's a funny take on the lockdown. Go watch it now on JJ's Music. And how to keep yourself happy during this lockdown, positive or chirpy during the lockdown. I think the song will tell you, itself. It's about how you take it. It's about what you want. See, आप नेगेटिविटी ढूंढने जाओगे ना, एक ढूंढने जाओगे 10 मिलेंगी. पॉजिटिविटी ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल है. इट्स लाइक अगर आप दूसरे इंसान में गलती निकालने की कोशिश करोगे, गलती तो एक निकालोगे 10 निकल जाएंगे, लेकिन अच्छाई निकालनी बहुत मुश्किल है. So let's do the difficult part and let's make this world a happy place to be even in lockdown.
Thank you so much, Apar. It's really refreshing. I think you've energized me than I could do anything to you. But it was my pleasure.
Pleasure is all mine, Baba. God bless you. See you around.
Thank you.
Looking forward.